Hi there guys and gals, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm actually going to do a little bit of a video on my old Vauxhall Frontera. Now anybody who's familiar with me and familiar with the channel will be thinking, I'm sure he sold that car about 2 years ago. Yes, that's true, I did sell it, but I've been going through my old videos on my phone and I found some old videos which I'd done of the Frontera, and I thought I'd edit them together and upload them to the channel because it is something that is decent content, you know, for anybody who's struggling with a particular issue that sometimes happens with Fronteras. So basically, before the video starts, I'll just explain. So I had a problem where one of the rear doors wouldn't open. So you could unlock it, but when you pulled the plunger up manually, you could feel something wasn't quite right, like it wasn't coming all the way up. It got remote central locking, so you'd use the remote and all the little poppers would pop up, but that particular one wouldn't pop all the way. So there was obviously something not right. It wasn't unlocking properly. Then when you pulled the handle from the inside, it wouldn't open the door. And if you pulled the handle from the outside, it wouldn't open the door. So it was obviously something wrong with the mechanism that was stopping it from unlocking properly. So these next few videos, they kind of, and me when I was trying to get to the bottom of what the problem was. And then right at the very end, I'll come back to you and I'll tell you and explain what the issue was. So if anybody's got a Frontera who's got this same issue, hopefully this issue might be resolved by watching this video. So let's get into it. Right, I'm inside Trevor, trying not to totally wreck my door card. Problem I've got, the door won't unlock fully, so it won't open from inside or outside. So I'm trying to work out why it won't unlock. So I've got to somehow get a view of the mechanism and try and work out what's going on. Alright, so there's the lock bit. There's the handle. So that's moving up and down, seemingly as it should. The door handle one is that one, which looks a little bit wibbly wobbly, but I don't know. But the main issue is this bit. I just can't kind of work out. Oops, get camera in the right position. This is fun. This is fun, try to get the camera in the right position. Not the easiest thing in the world. Let's try all the way up maybe. See if I get a better view this way. Oh, there we go. So what exactly is causing the problem? I can't tell if there's anything broken. Is there something broken in there? Right, I'm going to attempt to not drop my camera down inside the door panel, because I did that and it went right down in the bottom of the door, which was fun. But all I'm trying to do is work out why my back door on my Frontera is not unlocking properly. That's the locking mechanism there, so that's it fully unlocked, but it won't unlock from the inside or the outside. I've shut the window now, so I can't do the handle from the outside, but That's the inside one, and that's the actual locking mechanism rubbing against the camera. That's why it's moving, but it won't actually unlock. There's obviously something wrong with the mechanism, something broke or something that's stopping it from unlocking. But obviously, because I can't open the chuffing door, I'm having to try and get in with the door panel just pulled back as far as I can without damaging it too badly. Hopefully it'll go back all alright, but I just can't see what it is that's stopping it from working. Maybe I can get a better angle somewhere. Might be able to see better or not. I just don't seem to be able to. I don't want to drop my phone again. But yeah, look, I'm having to like chuffing bent door panel out, which is far from perfect. Right then guys, so you get to this point in the video and I got to the stage where I thought, you know what, let's have a look on the other side, the door on the other side of the car, and see the one which is actually working, which is unlocking, and see what the mechanism is supposed to do and how it's supposed to work. And once I'd seen how it's supposed to work, I kind of figured out what the problem was. Now see if you can watch this next little clip and see if you can work out by watching this clip straight away what the problem was, and see if you know, and then if you do, wait until I come back to you again and I'll tell you and see if you were right. See you in a minute. Okay, so this is the side where the door is working as it should. Right, okay, so that bit's at the top and the car is unlocked, so that pushes down on that mechanism. Then when you lock the door, right, okay. So either way, that piece should be in contact with the top piece of that. Right, okay. That's when you move the internal door handle, it does that. Right, then when you unlock it, what does it do? Okay. So you can see the mechanism is supposed to work like that. Okay, right. There we go then guys, so did you spot it? Did you spot what was wrong? Yep, I'm guessing you probably did. So I'll post a picture up with the problem highlighted from one of the first videos. And it's basically that mechanism which swings backwards and forwards. So as you pull the outside handle, the handle mechanism inside pushes down, and then the bit that's hinged in the middle turns, and that's what opens the door. That's what causes the door latch to open. If you pull the interior handle, it does the same thing. That twists and it opens the door. The problem was on the door where it was not working, the bit that hinges was actually already stuck part way down. So because that was already stuck part way down, it had kind of jammed the mechanism. So I keep calling it the plunger, but you know what I mean, the actual little puller that pulls up and down when the door unlocks. I don't know its proper name, whatever it's called, the door lock plunger. When that was pulled up or down, it was jamming because of that's meant to be across horizontal, wasn't horizontal. It was like stuck and jammed at an angle. So it was basically all just basically jammed up. So the way I resolved it, I didn't actually do a video after that, but the way that I resolved it was just good old WD-40 all around the pivot point, so that it would then sit horizontal like it should, and that was it. That's all it was. So I had, I don't know, half an hour to an hour fannying about, doing little videos, trying to work out what it was. And that's all it was. As simple as that. So hopefully, guys, if you've got a Vauxhall Frontera and one of the doors won't unlock, you can't open it from the inside, you can't open it from the outside, hopefully this little video might save you a lot of fannying about. Just try and get your door panel off. See if that bit that pivots is actually sat horizontal like it should be, and if it's not, lubricate it up, get it moving by hand, get it sat so it is horizontal, and hopefully that'll resolve your problem for you. So there we go. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Stay tuned for a lot more content. I'm trying to do videos on a regular basis, once a week minimum. Sometimes I'm trying to do a couple of videos a week. I'm just trying to get things done as and when I can. So I'm actually off work next week, so I'm hoping to get some work done next week as long as the weather's not too bad. So thanks for watching. Please like, browse, subscribe, and share my videos with your friends. And I'll see you again in the next one. Laters.